meet you.
Yes, sir.
You have a long, good weekend ahead.
You too.
Take care, my man.
Yep, thanks a lot. Freaking dirty old Peter Schmidt come drop off the Western Star. Oh, wait till you get a load of this, boys. I'll have to give you a good Santis in the morning. Holy schnikevitz, what am I thinking? What goes on in my head? I don't think right. That's an awesome truck. Holy shit. She's a little less to be desired, I think, boys, but yeah, I don't know. I'll have to bring the torches. I don't know. I don't even know what we're going to do here, but we'll pick away at it and see what happens. Well, apparently, I got to take the box off of this and put my flatbed on this. My buddy said that he parked it somewhere and they just robbed him for all his parts. His intake's gone. Looks like one of his exhausts is gone. That's probably the only actual exhaust too. Yeah, the other one's just a fake one. So you can probably just plug this right over to that. Oh dear, what have I done? That's not good. I think, I don't know. I don't even know what's going on. This guy said that he just got this truck and he parked it somewhere. Look at the tires. Holy sh! This thing's decked. Look at the turb ski. That's not good. You need to clean that out a big time. It's got a big Mercedes-Benz onward. Mercedes-Benz hole. Good Lord, Jankum cigarette. The exhaust just touching that cross member thing. What the f is that? Oh, that's like some sort of a pivot of some sort. That's like the pivot for the hydraulic cab or the suspension on the cab. What the f is that for? Oh no. Well, that must just be for the breather or something maybe. Who knows? Lord Mick Murgatroyd, boys. A lot of room in there for engine though. I don't know, I guess I'll the angle grinder out, start hacking these bracoots off, I suppose. man, I don't like that. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, let's go to the other side now. That was so much fun. Check that out. I've never seen that before in my life. It's a hub odometer. Hub odometer. You hook that on your wheel and then it'll tell you how many revolutions, I guess. There's a lot of brake rotors. Or brake shoes. Oh boy. Scores. Yeah, this thing should be ready to haul off there now, but the problem is there's only one dick. Look at this. Ha! I love Peters. Freaking dirty old Pete's transport. Probably, but yeah, maybe a couple more wires. I don't know, but until I have a hand, that's probably her. Even still, it'll be handy to have a rigsman, you know what I mean? Have a rigsman on hand for doing different rigging, you know what I mean? Not even gonna recognize Inwood, boys. Tried to get the shot, but everything's dicked, you know that. Get a little smoothing out of the lumpiness. Not too bad, a little bit. On my new one, it happened. Get these couple pieces of tape loaded up. That. Can't even see. Can't even see. It'll be like a perfect Schmidt. Put that guy on this guy, perfect Schmidt. That'd be awesome. Well, we did it, boys. We could freaking load it up there. Again, missed the shot. Just an idiot. We'll get that off in the morning and we'll smoke cigarettes. Okay, go.